it is weird for me to be so early here. I don't get markets already. I'm that early. But I do better sometimes. So I am done, and yeah, no, the news that I just heard are very interesting. I will share. Just waiting for this elevator to get here. Oh my god, still at 10. I'm at 9. Okay, here we go. Aston Martin music. Hello. Okay. Oh my gosh, can we please talk about how hot it is? Yo, it's so hot. But anyways, hi NSC squad, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the NSC space. Today is Tuesday. Right now it's around 2:15. There's load shedding. It is what it is, because South Africa, eh? But yeah, I wanted to say what happened at the doctor, ne? Okay, drink some water. Gagoish, like my mouth is goishing. Don't see me speaking. So, what had happened now is that in 2020, they told me that my teeth will be growing, my wisdom teeth will be growing crooked. So it's like, how do I explain the crooked? It's like it fell over and then it's growing sideways. So now it's affecting my gums here at the back. The doctor says that my jaw is not wide enough for the wisdom teeth here at the bottom to grow straight. That's what he says. And he says there's no way that we can grow your jaw, right? So now what do we do? What's going to happen to me? Because wow, I'm goishing. I'm even going to eat ice cream because of that. So he's like, no, we can get rid of your wisdom tooth. Oh, get snow pie. Yeah, so he says that they will have to remove my wisdom tooth. I'm like, my wisdom will be gone. He's like, no, that's a myth. But yeah, I need to go wash my teeth, some dental care before medical aid there. Poof. So yeah, that's what he says. He says I might have to go to theater, and then they will make me sleep, and then they will take out my wisdom teeth, and then I will wake up again. So I don't know, we'll see. I will update you all on what's the matter, because now my gums here at the back, like every time I have to just like blow and then close my teeth. I can't just close my teeth in J&J. Yes, I know Bubbles is just looking at us there at the back, but yeah, that's the update I wanted to give you guys. That's what happened today. I forgot to share with you what I got from the shop. So look at me. I don't know if you remember or what, but I was complaining on my vlog saying that I need new lashes. So I went to go buy lashes. Kurbon aksabatla stress mo pilong back. Lashes for days. This is 85 rands. So please stop being robbed by people selling the lashes in Chibia like 200 and something. Guys, if you need lashes, you know what, ne? I was thinking of starting like a lash distribution company where I go to the shop where I get my lashes, because you know me, I love lashes and I know what type of lashes are very nice and which lashes are not. So I was thinking of like distributing lashes for people, but like, ish, batho ba lapisa, right? Yo, batho ba lapisa. But yeah, I get these for like 85 rands. And it's like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 pairs. 85 rands. That's like a bargain, okay? It's a bargain. So yeah. My favorites are About Last Night and Head Over Heels. But I think it's the same thing. About About Last Night, it's here. Here. About Last Night is this one, and Head Over Heels is this one. It's almost the same thing, honestly. Yeah. But this is 85 rands. And then I also got like an eyebrow pencil because the one I have is almost finished. It's double side, black and brown, both sides. So yeah, that's what I've got basically. Just to update myself. Yeah, guys. Cheers. The
I did it my Valentine. And I did it, keep my temperature the earth. Me, I swear, you are like the oxygen I need to survive. I'll be honest. Your loving me, totally me. I am so obsessed. I want to touch of your body. Now I need it, I can't wish you. Open up, make I see you. You're my love, one city. If you make a bad man sing, for your head. Talk to the ones I don't care what you said.
Rhythm is just serious, guys. He's just like, what is this? Which one is this one? Huh? Which one is this one? Why am I going into tunnels? Rhythm, why are you going into tunnels? Hi.
You want to carry from my head, you want to carry to my bed. Don't tell me no. You could be my partner, never I just know.
Let's come out already, and guys. Today it was a whole day filled with adventure. So hey, NSC Squad, welcome back to the NSC space. I'm just shooting an intro here because there's no one. So yeah, we went to the movies. Now we are going to go on the train because the Ritimes was like, I want to go on the train. So we are going on a train for Ritimes. Let's get it. Pela moto excited, eh?
Yeah.
Kali.
And one child.
4 rands per child. Really? Cheers. Cheers. NSC Squad, welcome back to another video. So I just want to link us onto what happened in this vlog. So Ritumete had asked me that he wants to go on the train and he wants the train experience. So I was like, let's just make it a whole thing. Let's go to the movies and travel on the train. So that is what happened. That's what you just saw. And then before that, what happened? Oh, that's when I went to the dentist and I explained what happened at the dentist. So yeah, let's get into baking with me. Please remember to subscribe and click on your notification bell so that every time I post, you are notified. And please remember to share the video, like and subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and join the NSC squad. So I'm going to make a voiceover with this. All you need is this golden cloud mix, 300 milliliters of oil, 4 times eggs, and 400 milliliters of water. This mix makes around 24 muffins. So this 1 kg mix makes 24 muffins. And yes, I cheated. I was not going to start the mixture from scratch. So I had to cheat. So I'm going to start by preheating my oven to 180 degrees. I would like to get to know if it could be. And then I'm going to start to grease my pan. So I'll be just greasing my pan to make sure that it is greased properly and that our batter does not stick on the sides of the pan. The kind of girl that you put me down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going. I know that earlier I mentioned that you need 4 eggs, but because I made the mixture 2 times, I first used 2 eggs, and then when I redid it again, I used 2 eggs because my pan only fits 12 muffins, so I did it twice. So if you're gonna use half of it, you only need 2 eggs instead of 4, and also your oil and your water will be half the measurement. So because I do not have a measuring cup, I just use a shake cup instead, and it has measurements. I hope that you can see that it has measurements. That's what I use in order to measure my oil and my water. So as I mentioned, I used half, so I will be using 150 milliliters of oil instead of 300 milliliters. And also with the water, I will be pouring 200 milliliters instead of 400 milliliters. I wanted to actually mention the mixture has these mint crystals inside, mint thingies, and that just adds a crunch on your muffins. So you will see once it's done and it's out there, you will see them. And then right here, I am just filling up my pan. You fill in 3/4, which is 3/4 of your pan. And yeah, we just fill it up.
Yo, hear me now. Anybody do that dance and nasty up and them nasty up. Fix things, quick things, repeat. Well, alright then. From you see me a cleanest. Those when me rocking at the fucking realest. Ching. Inna the Louis V best. Girl want with this squeeze silicon and real bless. Can I blow a breeze for the head of my penis.
When removing the muffins out of your pan, just wait for them to cool down first. So give it a good 30 minutes of cooling down, then remove them from your pan, and then you can just put them on a flat surface so that they can cool down and rest, and then do enjoy the muffins. I really enjoyed them. I love that they are chocolatey, they have mint inside, and it's just a wonderful flavor. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please make sure to subscribe and click on the notification button.